So hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about that how to utilize the attribute category. Okay, that is a very simple thing to categorize the attributes. For that we are utilizing this attribute category. Let me show you that where is it exactly. So for that what we have to do, so let's suppose that in our current situation, when I open any code and browse catalog, in this browse catalog you will see that here let's suppose that I open this Samsung S26. So in this one here it's showing other. So I want to categorize this all the these pick list values in a different way. Okay, how I want to categorize this one, that these two RAM and storage I want to categorize so that it will be come in different section and color will comes in a different section. Okay, I want to categorize these two things. Okay, so for that for this particular purpose we are utilizing the attribute category. Okay, so I will keep as it is, but for the iPhone I will do that thing. For the iPhone we have another product. If you could check it, that we have another product. For this product I will do that this categorization, because as you remember, if you watch the previous video, in the previous video we created two different product classifications. So it means that both product can have same attributes and attribute pick list and pick list types, but they can have different configurations. So I will choose the different categories for this one, for this particular for iPhone 18 product classification, and for S26 we will choose different. So let's check it that how we can do. So for this one let's go for attribute categories. Okay, and in this attribute categories I will create a attribute called RAM and storage. Okay, RAM and storage, let's say RAS. Okay, so RAM and storage, from this particular name I created an attribute category. In this one I will add our attributes. Color, no, not color, I will add my RAM attribute definition and storage attribute definition. Both of them I will add it and assign it. Okay, so this is done. Now this is done, means we created a category. In this category we will add our two definitions. That's it. Now we, this major thing is involved with the product classifications. Let's go for the product classification that we created for the iPhone. So go for that, for that particular, let's go for the home. Here is product classifications and SR icon, this one we created for that. So here we have attributes. In the previous video you will see that it has two more values. I deleted the both of them because we need to categorize them in a different category, so that's why I deleted them. So let's assign a value. RAM and storage, this one. Okay, once I click on it, you will see that it's get assigned. And in the previous video you will see that we did also hide some of the pick list values. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. Let's remove this one, save. Oh sorry, it's a default pick list value, so we cannot change it. So for that I need to go ahead and make some changes in the attribute definition. So let's go ahead and change it here. For the attribute definition we need to make it default value from 16 GB to 32 GB and save it, and then come back to here and then include exclude values. Save. I think I need to make a refresh, or it's not saved yet. It's saved. You cannot exclude since it's a default picklist value. I remove it, I think. Attribute category, attribute default picklist values got removed. Still it's showing default. Okay, maybe it's showing because of the fact that while creating the attribute configuration, means attribute uh, categories, at that moment it was set as default. So let me go back to the attribute, attribute categories, and here I will go related, and this one, where is that, unassign. Let me unassign and reassign again. Unassign it. Okay, we cannot do that, so let me delete it. Let me do just one more, and so that I can, we cannot keep only one value, so that's why I'm showing that. So what I will do, I will go ahead and remove RAM1. This combination is associated with one or more product. It's this created. I think I messed up. Related product classifications. This is product classification. Okay, leave. That may be some configuration issue that I need to check it. But yeah, let me keep as it is. Let me go back here. Where is that product classification? So I'm coming back to the product classification, and what I will do, I will, let's hide or disable another picklist value, that's 32 GB. Okay, that's it. Okay, and for storage I will exclude it's okay 120 to 56 GB. Okay, these two I excluded, and that product classification is already assigned to the product, so no issue in that. And let's go back. Catalog. Where is my quote? Okay, let's go back to the quote. SR mobile quote. Browse catalog. Yeah, you can see in RAM and storage, it's showing the values. Okay, so this way we can categorize, take a help of a attribute categories to categorize the pick lists. Okay, so this is the way that how we can utilize it. So it's a kind of a UI thing, but yeah, sometimes it's needed that to categorize the things. Okay, so thank you. We will see you again in the next video. Thanks. Bye.